Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to fix the new ink cartridge into printer, or how to put a new cartridge into HP printer. For that, first you have to connect your printer through power cable. After that, you have to switch on your printer. Right? You have to wait until the power LED has to get stopped. So now which is blinking, wait a moment to get stopped. Right? Which is going to get stopped. Right? Got stopped. Then go to in front of your printer. Go to the front side of your printer. Right? This is the front side of your printer. Right? So first you have to open the front cover. Right? Then you have to open the inside cartridge front cover. Right? Then after opening the front cover, the carriage assembly go towards right hand side, then come back, then stand in front of you. Right? Now you can see the both cartridges are visible. Right? So first what I am going to do, right side the black cartridge is available, left side the color cartridge is available. First I am going to remove the black cartridge. See, using your index finger, just keep top of the cartridge, give a small pressure. Right? After giving a pressure, the cartridge will come out. Right? Just remove the cartridge and keep it carefully or safely. Then likewise you have to keep your index finger at top of the cartridge, just give a pressure. Right? So once if you give a pressure, it will come down. Then take out the cartridge and place it safely. Now you can see the carriage assembly position. Right? Now you purchase the cartridge, unpack the cartridge and take out and remove the head label also. Then take the cartridge, right, and place into your printer. See, this is the new cartridge I purchased, and remove the label which is fixed into this area. Right? Then keep the cartridge like this. Right? Keep the cartridge like this. Then keep your thumb and keep your index finger like this. Right? Okay? Right? Now give a pressure using your thumb. Right? Right. That's all. Now the black cartridge got inside and get rest properly. Get rest properly. Now so got rest in properly. Take the color cartridge also and place like this. Right? Then keep your index finger top of the carriage assembly. Then keep your thumb like this. Just give a pressure. Right? After giving a pressure, it will go and get rest into the color cartridge area. Right? Now we fixed both black and color cartridge. After that, after fixing that, just you have to close the carriage assembly or cartridge cover, carriage assembly front cover. Then keep your hand like this. See the movement of the carriage assembly. The carriage assembly will move left and right, and finally will get stopped. Right? After getting stopped, now you can give the printout or you can take the Xerox. Now it will work properly. This is the way to fix the HP ink cartridge into printer, or fix the new cartridge into the printer. Have a nice day. Welcome.